Before the printing presses roared across Europe, a single stray thought could ruin a priceless page. In a quiet abbey by the Rhine, a weary scribe smudges gold leaf with a trembling hand, and the cost is more than parchment. When attention fractures, work becomes war. Errors breed shame, tasks multiply like crows, and peace slips away. But what if attention is not a whip, but a wound that can heal? Today's tale follows a master illuminator and his struggling brother as they face distraction without fury, repair it with ritual, and reclaim calm within their labor. Ignore this lesson, and your hands may speed while your soul frays. Hear it, and you'll learn one clear path back, step by steady step, to the kind of work that quiets the mind and strengthens the heart. This is not magic. It is a simple return, learned the hard way. Begin where your breathing begins. Year of our Lord 1501, in a Benedictine abbey above the Rhine. Snow pressed against cloister arches. In the scriptorium, breath hung as a veil over small candle flames. Brother Martin, a seasoned, well-trained scribe, lifted his quill and trembled. His mind clattered, late vellum, a vanished pigment, a page marred. The tremor smudged a filigree of gold. He raised the knife to scrape it away. "Hold," said Brother Anselm, the master illuminator, stepping from shadow. "Your attention is not a mule to be beaten. It is a bone out of joint. Set it, do not scold it." Martin stared at the bruise of gold. "The abbot will see. He will see whether you bleed or heal," Anselm replied. He laid a cord with 3 knots beside the lamp. "First, stop the bleeding. Close your eyes. Take 1 breath to feel the bench beneath you, another to feel your hands, a third to feel the room's murmur. Then, name what pulls you. Naming draws the thorn. Lastly, choose 1 point to serve, a single letter, a margin line, a color well. Not the whole book." Martin obeyed. In for steadiness, out for release. He named his pulls: haste, fear, pride. Anselm pointed to the margin. "Set your gaze there before you move. When your mind runs, touch a knot, and return." Outside, the bell for none tolled. Martin steadied his breath, felt the bench, felt his hands, heard the room. He lowered the knife, lifted his quill to begin the page anew, guided by Anselm's steps. Breathe, look, name, return, and he began with the first breath. The second found the bench, the third found his hands. Martin opened his eyes and rested them on the clean margin line, bright as a riverbank after floodwater recedes. The panic, once a swarm, thinned to a few stragglers. Ink breathed its iron scent, vellum rasped softly beneath his palm like wind over grass in winter. He chose 1 point to serve, the opening capital. Vermilion first, then shadow. When a thought darted, vellum, abbot, winter stores, his thumb found the first knot. Return. He breathed, placed the stroke, and let the brush leave no more than it must. A drip of red swelled. The old Martin would have chased it with haste. The new Martin paused, scraped a whisper with his knife, and smoothed gesso over the wound. Second knot. Return. Anselm's voice stayed low, present but not pressing. Work is a prayer with tools. Keep it simple, 1 breath, 1 look, 1 next faithful stroke. Hours loosened their grip. Not vanished, ordered. The page gathered itself, lattice, leaf, pigment cooled with ash, gold struck true. Beyond the cloister, firs groaned under snow, and the Rhine moved like a dark thread through white hills. When fatigue came, Martin stood, rinsed his eyes with the courtyard's cold air, and sat again with the margin as his home. Cold bit his lids awake. Not punishing, sharpening. Third knot. Return. The cord kept his course as a plumb line keeps a wall true. By vespers, the ruined flourish had become a vine that concealed the earlier scar. Martin set down his quill. The room had not changed, the work had. More truly, he had. He felt space open inside the simple fence of steps. The peace was not the silence of nothing done. It was the quiet of right things, done in their turn. Anselm examined the page and nodded. "You did not conquer the mind," he said. "You led it back to its task each time it wandered." Martin touched the smooth cord. "A simple way," he murmured. And enough. He covered the wells, capped the gold leaf, wrapped the cord back upon itself. That night, as snow deepened, the scriptorium glowed. The book waited for morning, and Martin rested with it, attention healed, work peaceful. Conclusion. From this story we learn that attention heals when treated with patience and clarity, and that a simple practice, breath, naming, and returning to the next faithful step, leads us back to peaceful, satisfying work.